Today we're going to start a quick little video about how to set up the auto trader. The first thing you're going to do after you download it to your computer is bring up Ninja, and on your control panel you're going to go here to Tools. You would click Import Ninja Script Add-on. That's going to allow you to choose that file from where you saved it out on your computer, and it will upload it for you. When everything's done, if it is uploaded correctly, it will say Ninja Script Add-on was successful. Once that's done, you are ready to get this all set up. So you would come up here and you would right click and go to Strategies. Under Strategies, you're going to choose your files that you just uploaded. You can either double click or you can highlight it and click Add. Either way works. The first one we're going to set up is the actual auto trader. So you're going to want to leave this one. You're going to make sure that this is what you want to trade. So let's say you want to trade in Q. You would make sure that this is correct. Your account is going to be Sim 101, because what you're going to do is have your other accounts follow the Sim account. Make sure that is all correct on Sim 101. Scroll down a little bit under Setup right here and click Enabled, Apply, OK, and you are good to go. You would come back up here to this top screen, right click, go back to Strategies, and then you're going to work on the Trade Copier. This is going to be where you control how many contracts you would like to trade. So your leader position is going to be Sim 101, and this is going to be your follower positions. You can have up to a total of 4 follower positions. In order to activate those, you would just click Enable, choose your account file that you would like. So I'm going to choose a 15. Your instrument, I'm going to have NQ on my sim, and then I'm going to trade NQ. You can also have NQ as your lead account and trade MNQ. That is a choice that you would decide to do. So I'm going to then have that correct. And then your quantity ratio. This is going to be where you actually choose how many contracts you want to be activated in each individual trade. So let's say, so in the Sim 101, it's going to only always take one. It's going to take one position every time it opens a trade. Let's say you would like to trade more than that. This is where you would adjust that. So when it takes one, let's say I want this account to take 2. If I want to trade another account, I would just choose the correct one, make sure this is right, and let's say on this account, I want it to take 4 positions every time it takes a trade. On this one, I would like it to take 5 positions every time it takes a trade, and on this one, I would like it to just take 1. However you would like that set up, you can also change this. Let's say you want NQ to be your lead account and you want to trade MNQs. You can do that here as well. So you can have one account doing NQ and another account doing MNQ. That would totally be your choice. After that, you would scroll down here a little bit, make sure that this is correct. Make sure it's on Sim 101. Hit Enable. Apply. OK. Once that is done, it's going to be active. You would be able to see that up here. And I'm going to, this is under Strategies, under your toolbox. You can enable and disable your strategies from here if you like. So you can click those. You see the Ds, that means that these are disabled. And you can either manually go back into Strategies or go into Strategies under your tool chest here. You can click that. You can see that it's green. It's enabled. In order to make sure that this is working though, your echo right here does need to be green, so you want to click that on. If for some reason that is red and not on, the sim will take trades, but your follower accounts will not. So you want to make sure that that echo is on if you want to have your accounts actually taking the trades along with the sim. Now, once this prints a new candle, you're going to have more information come up, which just happened now. So this information will show that we are the Uniranko. We have the 40 as our position size. We have our start time and our end time. So that way you can check that and make sure that um, it's not taking trades in between those hours. Don't expect it to do that. It should only be taking trades between these hours here. Our realized profit, our daily profit target, our position profit target. So this means that each trade will be $75. So it'll get out once it hits right around that area, depending on the fill. And then the profit target is going to be 125. Our rolling profit and loss and our unrealized profit will all be right there for easy access for you to see.